Hi YouTube, this is Shibabs with you, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Vivitar Exfoliating Facial Power Brush right here. We're gonna talk about the model PG-7000PFL. This power brush is a skin cleansing product to exfoliate your face and give you a good facial cleansing experience. So what do we have on the box? Right here we have nothing. Here we can see it's waterproof, dual speed power brush. That's good because you can at least change the speed. What else do we have? On this side, we can only see the picture of the brush, and here below we have battery warning. Right here on the back, we have the package contents. We can see that it comes with just the power brush. It comes with 2 brush heads, the user manual, and 1-year warranty card. Other information: this item uses 2 AA batteries, which is not included in this box. Besides being waterproof, it's cordless. We can also see that the design is quite compact, which makes it perfect to store in your medicine cabinet, your travel bag, or right on the counter for easy access. Without further ado, we'll just go straight up and unbox. I hope you guys got a clear look on the Vivitar PG-7000PFL Exfoliating Facial Power Brush, and hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel clicking on the subscribe button below. Until next time, ciao.